Hello again, it's Noob, and recently I did a video on a Squire CP40 and I bought this on eBay straight after I decoded it and bought this. It's apparently a CP35 and I think that this is an older version because it's got the two-tone of that sort of rubberized paint on metal and just plain metal here. And the reason I want to do that is just double check that the bounce the wheels method of decoding this actually works. Now, this was sent to me without any code, which made it a lot cheaper on eBay. I thought it'd be a good test. So the first thing you do is just stick it all in zeros, because normally somebody sells a lock on eBay and doesn't give a code. And no, I haven't reached out to the seller. They would put it as all zeros. So let's try that. No, it's not that. Okay, which means that we will just give this a go. Now, it was so easy to decode the last one. It was almost not funny. So I'm just going to put these all into a number. There you go. Nice number. I don't know what significance that has. Do you know what? Just to test it. No, it isn't the right number. That would have been so funny. But yeah, it's so easy to decode. I just have to try it. So let's... it's always good to put anything in. It doesn't matter what number it is, just put it into a number. Just anything at all, really. Just you know, so it's not going to be halfway in and out of a true or false gate. And then what we do is we just tap these and see. Okay, so that feels it's a bit bouncy, but I'm just going to see whether this wheel feels bouncy on. So it felt bouncy on 6. We know it probably isn't a 0. Put it into 1. Oh no, that's super bouncy. So I think we've got a 1. So all the rest feel exactly the same. So I don't need to test those. Well, it's either a 1 or a 6. I think it's more bouncy on 1. In fact, it's significantly bouncy. Look at this. So let's give that a go. Turning this one. And I think we go quite fast because I'm just tapping with my nail and just seeing whether it bounces. Just so you can see, look, not bouncy or relatively. Can you see that? Look, relatively not bouncy and super bouncy. Some of them feel more bouncy than others. So there's a little bit of give there, but it's not like that. No. Again, it might not be a 0, but it could be a 0 because all 4 zeros aren't the code. I mean, that does feel good. Can you hear that as well? But it's not that bouncy. I'm going to leave it. No. 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 Don't think so. Is it 0? No. Is it 1? Yes, it feels bouncy, which makes me think maybe they set this to all 4 1s, but we'll go through it and just see. Let's try that one. Yeah, but that's bouncy. So if I press this, that one felt like it was giving, but now actually feels, oh, it feels solid. You know, it is all going to be all 1s, isn't it? Why am I even... Well, look, we'll test it. Look, doesn't work. It's all going to be set to 1s instead of 0s, which is a bit strange, but give that a go. Am I right? Yeah, of course we are. So there you go. Yeah. That is a bit strange. Why would a seller put that as all 1s when the default is all 0s? I don't know. But yeah, it's so easy to do. I had no idea these locks are so easy to decode. I mean, just look how bouncy they are when they are on the right number. They really do bounce. And if you just put them into a random number, somehow came back to 1 on that one, there's hardly any movement there at all. They feel sort of solid. There might be a little bit of give, but not an awful lot. And then you turn it to the right number, you can even hear it move, can't you? So easy to decode. I had no idea. Well, there you go. So it's not a fluke. It really does work, that technique. I might try and buy I think they do a CP50 and 60, so I might try those as well. Alright, thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And if you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can, and I'll see you all next time.